Welcome to Web3 today. We are here with the latest updates on the blockchain world. Masa Finance's soulbound tokens will soon be available on Coinbase's base network, according to an announcement from Masa Finance. The new tokens will allow users to link identifying and reputational characteristics to their wallet addresses, making credit underwriting possible on blockchain. Trust Wallet, the non-custodial and multi-chain crypto wallet, has partnered with Ramp and MoonPay to introduce seamless crypto-to-fiat withdrawals for its users. The partnership will allow wallet users to convert crypto to fiat directly within the wallet app. Lido protocol technical contributors have presented the proposal for Lido version 2, Lido protocol's largest upgrade and step change to the road toward further decentralizations. Thanks to a new modular architectural design, anyone can develop on-ramps for new node operators. Cross-chain messaging protocol developer LayerZero Labs has raised another 120 million. The company plans to use the capital to increase its headcount and expand its reach into Asia Pacific region. The company had previously raised 135 million in March 2022. Over 27 prominent Ethereum projects joined hands to launch EVM-Blocker, a solution that aims to tackle and minimize the amount of value extracted from their users, also known as MEV, Ethereum's invisible tax. With the launch of MEV-Blocker, users can profit from the backrunning opportunities they create. That is all for today. Stay tuned for more news from Web3 World. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Ether World YouTube channel. Thank you.